Hey everybody, how are you? Hey, Boujee Janitor coming at you with some serious talk today. Okay, I want to talk to you about two things. One, are you in that choose state or are you in that decide state? And those are two big differences. Okay, that choose state is, am I picking red and I know blue is going to be better? You know, are you still in that teeter-tottering frame of mind back and forth is, I'm going to go with the red, but I know that if I just commit over to blue, that could be a better choice. Is that where you're currently sitting right now with the janitorial side? With do I start my business or do I just wait a little bit longer and see what next month holds? Wait to see if I get that raise on my job. Or are you in that decide state right now? Are you in that I am committed, I am all in 100%? When you decide, when you commit, you are breaking through the barriers, okay? You're breaking through the barriers of I have made my line in the sand, I have planted my feet strong, and I am committing to start this business. I'm committing to be my own boss. I'm committing to be able to map out my future. I'm committing. And you need to decide right now, where exactly are you? Where are you? I'm here to help with those decisions. We're here to help you and guide you along the path of the janitorial ownership, because it's an industry that is growing rapidly. It was a $70 billion industry a year ago, and actually 2 years ago, and currently right now we are topping $72 billion industry. $72 billion. And we can all take a piece of that, okay? Take the 25 years of experience that I've built my multinational $1 million company. I'm giving this to you in the modules, in the courses, of breaking them down step by step for you, okay? But you've got to decide, you've got to commit. Are you in, or are you still in that I'm choosing state? Hey, Boujee Janitor, thanks so much for spending some time with me. Check us out, bougeejanitor.com. Hope to see you soon. Cheers.